I'm a quick skate. Place I mean, segregated, family. Plantation, Turner, motivate. Mama, this was crazy drama. It was crazy drama. Cost a nigga $15,000. Mailed them out, mail y'all. Get them up with the dirt shot. Something connected dots. An astronaut. More than an astronaut. All in the parking lot. Laying in a different block. Anywhere off the top. We rap a lot. Oh, we bring a lot. Gonna bring you chops. And if you can't fight, gonna bring you pops. I can't fight, gonna bring you clout. Blood on the room, gonna bring you bounce. First day of the rest of my life. Behind a light like walk the grind. Keep the spotlight, keep my rhymes tight. Wait, can't make shit that shit. Check my temperature, you just can't shoot them. You gon' shoot them, and even on your best people. Giving the whole world stuff, not giving a fuck. Now we break through in the room. You know what's too baby, fill up a cup. Get honest, the best of it. Cry the house like lockdown facility. Quick to give me brains while I put the rain. We are in the whole game. Won't even see your old name when I come. Stay on top of revenge from the accident. We are in the whole game for my brothers. Won't even see your old name when I come. Stay on top of revenge from the underground. Spitting on some hits, every moment like a potential hit. Right, getting shorted, take like Chief Reaper, exhibit uses dig like a beast. I'm running through a money come out, running your mouth, have somebody running your house, marry your spouse, that have somebody cool your car. Whenever you hit up, the niggas stay in your foot, and you look right. On Twitter, you know where it's like discovery, stash up in the state of money. These things over where you do it. Rearrange the whole thing. We need to say your own name when I come. Stay on top of remain from the underdog. Rearrange the whole thing with my money. Give me play with it. We do a pop at this level and still crash in it. I think you made it while you motherfuckers really shit. I smash the break. Go over here, right for ready. Come and get that shit on buildings, find a million. Because you feel it. So what the fuck am I supposed to do? I pop bottles and I want to each and all of you. For hard and factory, why you plastic? Child is like a react from a too much niggas that never damn. That's around, you can't handle it. Hollywood, everybody's no brain with it. What's the difference between you? I'm about to make it come. We got to the tool in your hood. It's you like that. I'm back to the I suggest you all go back to what's the difference between me and you?
be acting too bold. Take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
Moscow, make some motherfucking noise.